Sanibona bafethu uVana Sports lo. I'm sure senizwile le indaba lezi ziyangijabulisa ukuzwa indaba ezikanje bafethu. Kuyangijabulisa impela kuthiwe igame esethwe ngomhla 16 March between Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns izohostwa eFNB Stadium. eFNB Stadium menikhumbula kahle igame ejwayele ukudlalelwa eFNB Stadium. Noma ngabe Orlando Pirates idlala home noma ngabe iKaizer Chiefs idlala home but kuhlezi kuzoba iFNB Stadium. Yabo kuhlezi zoba iFNB Stadium. iPSL ihlalile yahlala phansi between yabuka imatch Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns. They see ukuthi leyo match leyo ihlezi izoletha more fans. They saw the final between the two teams. Nedbank Cup, they saw the final in Nedbank Cup. Ama fans ayigcwele. They saw i-final eMTN eyidlala le iMoses Mabhida. Ama fans ayigcwele. So they see ukuthi team number 2 enza kahle and they bring more fans when they play together. Why not take the game to FNB Stadium? Yabo, this is a great initiative. I don't want to lie. This is a great initiative. We will see i-game yangempela. Yabo, i-game yangempela kumele idlale ku stadium sangempela, oku-FNB Stadium. Sijwayele ukubona amaSoweto derby. We saw iSoweto derby between Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates this season le. Yabo, ama spectators they were there. Many spectators afikile egroundini even though benginenkinga. Yabo, I will try to unpack inkinga ezazikhona. Ngosikhathi kudlala iKaizer Chiefs noOrlando Pirates. Inkinga ezazikhona, many fans bought ama tickets. And amanye ama fans athenga ama tickets asemgaqweni. Yawazi ama-tickets adayiswa mekufikiwe lapha e-stadium adayiswa ngaphandle. Turns out lawo ma-tickets lawa ay-fake and they couldn't scan them. And ama-security namaphoyisa ayehluleka ukuvimba ama-fans ukuthi angene e-stadium. Ama-fans-ke angena. Amanye ama-fans amiswa angakwazi ukuyibuka igame. Yabo, igame between Orlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs. People said, yabo, abantu babethi laphana kwakukhona abantu over 100,000. Uthi stadium I think so ba 87, if I'm not mistaken, 87k minimum. But again, kwafika abantu abo 100k, which is not okay. Abantu babempintshana lapha bengenile no let, yabo, bengene nje illegally. And izinto ezikanjalo zingadala ukuthi abantu balimazane. Menikhumbula kahle le incident eseke yenzeka before, yabo, ye Orlando Pirates ne Kaizer Chiefs la kwashona khona abantu. I don't want to speak about that a lot, but again, kwalimala khona abantu. It was a tragedy. Yabo, lesa stadium asasetshenziswa for amaSoweto derby. Sesidlala ama-Lions right now. Yabo, angazi Lions bani i-rugby kodwa asasetshenziswa for ama-games e-PSL because kwenzeka leya nto leya. But-ke i-game yeMamelodi Sundowns ne-Orlando Pirates ithathiwe yayobekwa le, yabo, FNB Stadium. I don't know why bekwenzile because sijwayele ukuyibona i-game idlalelwe le Orlando Stadium. But-ke ama-team makhulu manje and le game le isithathwa as biggest game. They take this game as the biggest game of e-league. Yabo, Soweto derby isithi ukwehla kancane manje. Sebeyabona ama-team aqhudelana ngempela. But-ke for me, I don't think le game le bekumele bayithatha bayise le FNB. Yabo, yes, it's a good thing, but come on. Right now, I feel like e-league vela isekho kwi-Pirates. Yabo, what's the use of taking le game le? Maybe mekuthiwa mhlambi cup final, I would understand ukuthi bayithatha bayise le FNB Stadium. Mara, this is not a cup final, guys. This is not a cup final. It's just a league match. It's just a league match, and we know it's immensely down on my points right now. Yabo, we know it's immensely down on my points right now. Tiwa kulabo abazothenga lama-tickets. Ama-tickets ngiyaza thengwe, like ngiyaza dayiswe in a sleep form. Kunendawo la ama-tickets khona. Ama-fans Orlando Pirates nawe Kaizer Chiefs azokwazi ukuya khona. Yabo, FNB Stadium nase-Orlando Stadium la bezokwazi khona ukupurchase ama-tickets e-game. Yabo, kunendawo nje sengikhohliwe igama but ngizonibhalela lapho. Yabo, ngizonifakela la kwi-video nibone. Ngizofaka nalapha ku-description. Mufuna ama-tickets ale game le, kunendawo la wathola khona la ma-tickets la. Yabo, so it's a big game le nabafethu ezodlalelwa le Orlando Stadium. Ayibo, Orlando Stadium, FNB Stadium. Yabo, iCalabash Soccer City. So ngangitshela ufethu uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba lezi. uLorenzo sathanda kuyikhipha nami ngithe awuthi ngishare ne-community yami ekhona la ka-YouTube. Ungitshela ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngalolu daba lokuthi i-game yethu between iMamelodi Sundowns izodlala e-stadium esijwayele ukusetshenziswa iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo, ungangitshela lapho uVana Sports lo bafethu. Ungakhohlwa usubscribe nokulike. Ngiyabonga bafethu for isupport enini yayo.